Squares and circles all so near, triangles and stars so clear. Shapes are fun, we love to cheer. Shapes are everywhere, my dear. Rectangles and diamonds bright, ovals too in morning light. Shapes we trace with hearts so light. Shapes are in our dreams at night. Shapes all around, shapes all around. Look at all the shapes we found. Squares and circles near the ground. Shapes make our world so round. Shapes make our world so round.